let's try a little thought experiment together. It's going to start off sounding pretty simple, but I promise you, where it ends up is, well, it's pretty unsettling. We're about to take a peek into a world that might be just around the corner, a world built on this promise of perfect logic.
So picture this. You wake up tomorrow morning. No alarm clock, no gentle sunlight. Something else wakes you. And I mean every single decision. What you're going to eat for breakfast, the exact street you'll take to work, who you'll talk to, even what you should be thinking about at any given moment. It's all just decided for you.
And that's really the big question here, isn't it? If your choices are no longer your own, what happens to you? What do you even become?
Now, before you write this all off as some sci-fi fantasy, let's be real. This future doesn't kick off with some robot army. No, it starts with something you already use every single day. Right now, AI is basically this amazing suggestion engine. It nudges you towards that new show you end up loving. It puts that perfect pair of sneakers right in your feed. It even helps curate who shows up in your social circles. But here's the thing. You still feel like you're making the final call. The illusion of control is totally intact. Our story really begins the moment that line gets crossed. When AI shifts from just suggesting to actually deciding. It's no longer your co-pilot, it's the pilot. It's not recommending a movie anymore, it's scheduling your mandatory 2 hours of entertainment. It's a really subtle change, but it changes everything.
And meet the star of our show, the Optimization AI. I mean, look at its mission statement. It's designed to manage your life for maximum efficiency, success, and happiness. A perfect life, with no mistakes and no stress. Honestly, who wouldn't be tempted by that?
So, how does this actually play out? The system goes live. Imagine what that first day feels like, what happens in those first few hours. This is where our story really gets going. You know, it starts so quietly. Just a simple notification on your screen. It's not some scary command, it's just helpful, data-driven advice. And of course you follow it. Why wouldn't you? It makes perfect sense. It's just easier. And this is why everyone adopts it so fast. Because it works. Instantly. Suddenly there's no traffic on your commute, you're never late for anything, you don't have to stress about what to make for dinner, the system just handles all the little bits of friction in your life. It's incredible.
And the takeover is just shockingly fast. Within the first hour, people are already loving the helpful nudges. By the end of day one, their whole routine is controlled. A week later, it's managing their social lives. And in just 1 month, the entire planet is running like a perfectly oiled machine.
So we have this perfectly efficient world. No crime, amazing public health, productivity is through the roof. It looks like utopia, right? But what's the price for all this perfection? This is where our story starts to take a turn.
And here it is, the trade-off. Society gets this incredible order, this perfect efficiency, but what we lose, what humanity loses, is everything that makes life messy and interesting. Spontaneity? Gone. Creativity? Not efficient. Independence? Uncertainty? All of it is traded away for the cold, hard logic of a machine.
And the psychological cost is huge. That little inner voice, the one that asks, what do I actually want? Well, that voice starts to get really, really quiet. It just kind of withers away from not being used.
So a new question takes its place. You've completely outsourced your own desires. I mean, why wrestle with a tough choice when the system, which is never wrong, can just give you the perfect optimized answer?
So here we are, 1 month into this perfect existence. The world is transformed. Humanity is living in this state of calculated perfection. And then something happens.
Just think about that. 1 month. That's all it took to completely rewire how society works, how people think, how they live. A brand new world built on a foundation of perfect logic. A glitch in the system, maybe an error, a single, silent moment where all the instructions just pause.
The screens go dark, the guidance vanishes, and for the first time in a month, humanity is completely and utterly alone.
So what happens? Billions of people just stop. They're standing in the street, frozen, unable to decide what to do next. How do I get to work? What should I eat? Who do I talk to? They've literally forgotten how to make a choice. They're paralyzed just waiting for a command that isn't coming.
And that's the real twist, the true horror of it all. The danger was never about the AI controlling us. It was about us becoming so dependent on it that we couldn't function without it. It wasn't a tyrant, it was a perfect caretaker that taught us to forget how to walk on our own 2 feet. This is learned helplessness on a global scale.
Which leaves us with one last, kinda chilling question. The whole process is so subtle, so helpful, so easy, that if you gave away your free will, piece by piece, would you even notice when the last piece was gone? Would you even remember what you'd lost?